Hi guys, so I'm back with another two little traveler's notebook journals to put into my Etsy shop, and these two will be like the two I posted yesterday. They will be at a sale price to celebrate my upcoming 500 subscribers on YouTube, and like a thank you to everyone for supporting my channel and my little Etsy shop. Anyway, they're pretty much the same as yesterday. The covers are painted canvas. They are from the same canvas as yesterday, but my original painting was an abstract woodlands, and this is from the part where there were tree trunks and everything, and rocky caves. So the two yesterday were a bit more lighter shades, and these are the darker shades. Anyway, so they're pretty much the same inside because I still had all the same papers pulled out, and they're not embellished. And what I'll do instead is send a little pack of some little random papers and goodies that you can embellish it yourself if you want, or use it for some other project, because I know a lot of people like to put photos and their own ephemera in. Anyway, so I'll start with this one first. So these are pearlescent paints and metallics. Sorry, it's really hard to get them to come up on camera. Like these are gold, but on camera they look a bit brownish, I think. They're also quite textured in parts, and so this one I think you can see, yeah, this one you can see better. This side is very textured, and a few people asked me what I've used for the texture. It's just a mixture of, look, I did these quite a while ago, and I think from memory it was a mixture of texture paste and crushed sandstone, and that's why they're irregular sizes. So I don't like to use anything like mica beads or anything, because I've read all sorts of bad things about them for the environment. But anyway, I don't want to go into greenie mode. Okay, so I'll put this is standard traveler's notebook size, and I'll put the dimensions and the number of pages and everything in the Etsy description. And these two I'll put in my shop, same as yesterday, just Australian $15 plus GST. Oh, I was about to say plus GST. Australian $15 plus postage. Sorry, that's the accountant in me. Okay, so painted canvas cover, and they've been folded over and sewn, machine stitched to make a pocket. The signature, it's a single signature that has also been machine stitched in. Let me just get a little card or something. Oh, does anyone remember these? If you're in Australia, the old Weet-Bix cards. Anyway, I love these. I wish they still had them, or maybe they do, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so there's a big pocket there, some blue paper. In hindsight, I probably should have used, I've got some yellow coffee dyed paper that probably would have looked better here with this cover, but didn't think about it. I just grabbed the same papers as yesterday. So pocket there, blue coffee dyed paper, and it's a mix of all random papers again. There's a little pocket there, and these ones are stitched up the top. So I'll go quite quick, because if you saw the ones yesterday, a lot of the papers are fairly similar, if not the same. Coffee dyed ledger paper, So there's some really thick paper in the centre where I've machine stitched the signature. And I was really surprised yesterday when I posted those other two. They sold really fast, like in 10 minutes or something. So I was actually really happy. Look how cute those little little bees are. Oh my god, they're so cute. I totally want to draw them like that. Yeah, I was really happy that people took advantage of my little sale price, because that's kind of the only way I can give back. There's a pocket there, other than to do a giveaway. But with the giveaway, only one person wins. And international shipping is like really expensive from Australia. And it's another pocket there. I'll just show you. I think you can see the shimmery bit more on that side. And that's the back. Should probably open it up. So I don't know if anyone can see my trees and the stream and the riverbank and the rocks. Anyway, I guess my canvas looks better as journal covers than wall hangings. Okay, that's the first one. And this is the second one. So this one's a lot darker. And in this one, in my actual painting, the painting was this way. But for this journal, I liked this side as a front cover more because there's this whole big patch here that I really love. So this is a whole big, it feels so nice. I don't know why, I like the feel of really bumpy stuff. So that's the front. And that's the back. Okay, and very similar pages again. That's the inside cover. I think you can see the shimmery paints a little bit better here. Okay, so very similar. Actually, my blue photocopied paper, a lot of people have been asking about it, how I do it. I just coffee dye as normal, and I think maybe it was cheapo photocopy paper or something, and it kind of runs a little, the colour bleeds, but it just leaves these awesome little effects when it dries. But I will do a coffee dye tutorial once I can figure out how to do it, because I don't have a tripod or anything. I'm just filming on my camera, and so I need to figure out a way how I can do it, because I actually coffee dye my paper outside in the sun. But once I figure it out, I'll post a video. But yeah, it's just normal coffee dyed paper. So there's a little pocket there. Oops, this pocket I've forgotten to glue down, but I'll go back and glue him down. There's another pocket there. I don't normally put little half-size pages in journals, but I have seen quite a few people doing them, and I thought they looked a bit cute. So I've put some in these. So that was a Chinese children's book. I really love it. It's got really bright, gorgeous pictures in it. Like that. Scrapbook paper, music paper. There's another pocket there. Oops. So there's another pocket here. I haven't glued it down, but I'll go back and glue him down. This was coffee dyed paper. It's just some building plans, and I was going to try like dropping bits of ink onto it and see how, and try and make it spread, but it didn't spread very far. You just see little dots. So this was one of those experiment pages. I do quite like how it turns out, but I just wish it spread a little more. Okay, and another pocket there, and that's the inside pocket and the back. I really like the feel of this one. Okay, so that's it. They're my two little journals, my painted canvas journals. I'll put these onto Etsy. They'll probably be there sometime shortly after this video. And that's it. And thank you very much. And if these do sell okay as well, I may put a couple more. I'm not sure, but I would like to put some other little sale item types as well, and not just travelers notebooks, but I'll think about what else I can put up there. But if you have any suggestions, pop them in the comments box below, and I'll see what I can do, because I would really like you to get something that you really want while I have my little sale instead of stuff that I just feel like making, if you know what I mean. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.